Welcome to FitSlay's upper body workout. Today we'll be focusing on 6 exercises, and your goal is to complete each movement for 15 reps. Now, if you are new to our program, you will do 1 complete round, but if you've been with us for a month or more, make sure you complete 3 rounds of the workout. Here is your pro tips for doing a push-up. We're going to start with a beginner-friendly push-up on our knees. Focus on tucking your hips underneath you, squeezing your booty muscles, and having your arms about 3 to 6 inches outside of shoulder distance. Think about pushing the floor away and keep your core engaged. If the modified push-ups are too easy, come to a full push-up for the rest of your reps. The lying chest press is all about working the muscles of the shoulders and chest. When you're lying on the floor, focus on having a slight arch at your back and bend your knees. If you struggle with floor movements, make sure you stand on your feet and push the weight away from your chest. A row is an excellent exercise for sculpting your back. So with this movement, focus on hinging at the hips, pushing your hips back, and bring your elbows back by your side. Now you want to focus on keeping your elbows close by your body and not away, and keep your shoulders rolled back and chin up. While doing the shoulder press, make sure you are controlling your movements. Keep your core engaged and think about a 1, 2, 3 tempo. Take 3 seconds up and 3 seconds down. Make sure your knees are slightly bent to avoid any back discomfort, and keep your feet about shoulder distance. With a bicep curl, focus on rotating your palms towards the ceiling. Squeeze your elbows in by your side, keep your core engaged, and chin up. With this movement, control is important. So time under tension is a key point you'll hear me say in a lot of our workouts, which means you want to make sure you take your time when you're contracting that muscle. Thank you for joining FitSlay for another workout. Remember, if you want more workouts like these or training in person or online, email us at jess@fitslay.com or visit the website at www.fitslay.com.